How to fix MetaTrader 4 app not working. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your MetaTrader 4 app is not working, check out this quick and easy steps. First and foremost, check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, you can switch into a better Wi-Fi connection or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. After which, try to relaunch your MetaTrader 4 app. If it still does not work, there might be a bug or the glitch issue. In that case, tap Open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Head over to All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for MetaTrader. In here, firstly, you need to tap on the 4-stop button. Head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue. Last but not the least, tap Open your Play Store. Or you are using an iOS device, open up your App Store. In the search bar, go ahead and search for MetaTrader 4. If you find any of the available update button, just leave your application for an update and try again. If not, the last resort is to uninstall the app and reinstall it later. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.